Benjamin VR Gaming. Today we're playing Animal Company. What happened?
I have long arms now. I don't know. He glitched.
Anyways, we're playing Animal Company. We're going mining with Andrew, my friend.
Hello.
Hey, Andrew, by the way, do you have the side pockets? Do you?
No, I do not own them.
I do. I actually own both the sides.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go mining. I want everyone in the comments is gonna say, no, both of them are too bad, and it's about to get likes, which we are not bad. We are really good at the game.
I played this game, I think, since before the Halloween update, aka haunted house update.
I know, but after this, you want to go to like the haunted house?
I'm not sure, man. Haunted house sounds kind of scary. Where's the big boys? What? Which one?
I need purple gems. Oh my god! Oh no. He dropped the book.
Bruh.
What is it?
Hard gun. Just immediately a hard gun. Sorry.
It's another one! It's another!
Dude, that's not scary to kill, actually. Was in the second one. Another heart gun.
Oh my god, I see it. I see it. Oh my god!
Hey, Andrew, mine's in gold.
But did you realize something? There is a chance that a red fish can like spawn in.
Really? Oh.
Yeah.
You talking about a red flashlight can spawn in a big crate? Yeah, I know that.
No, the rock monster.
Wait, the rock monster? Well, he's not a rock monster. His name is... He just...
Are you fighting it?
He blew it up in his crate.
There's a chance that thing can spawn as red. It can spawn as the blood one.
Oh,
wait,
yeah.
Purple gems, I need it.
Yeah, you grab that. I'm gonna kill more of these big backs. Oh, I heard one. Oh, he jumped here. I got a camera. Maybe we can kill the anglerfish. Let's kill the angler. Where do you go, Andrew? Andrew, where do you go?
I'm down here. And I found a fake purple rock.
What? What are you exactly?
I'm down here.
Oh,
Right here.
we should go.
Everyone look right here, bro. Everyone look, bro. Are you serious?
What?
There's a thing.
Can I get some? I really got a research point. I just got a research point. I'm really serious. I'm actually serious. I just got a research point. Gold!
Oh my god.
I need some money!
I got a research point.
That's
Thanks.
Company.
Ow!
Oh! Stop doing that. That actually hurts though.
Wait, I have one gem. I realized I can buy something with it.
Well, for me, I need to get one more for freaking getting the normal backpack. Cause I don't really own the normal. Ow! Stop hitting me. And where is the spider cake? Spider cake.
It comes from like right here. But there's purple gems. I need them. No, please. Wait, fake. There's a fake one. It's a fake.
No, not. These one drops.
Yeah,
Drop
I know.
crates.
And I found another one.
Hard gun? Wait, what is it?
I found another purple fake ones.
What? Did you open the crate? Because they have crates inside.
No, I have not opened it. No, I need them.
Dude, bro, I'm trying to break this one. This one.
Now I'm dying.
Oh my! I got shotgun ammo. I got shotgun ammo.
Wait. Sorry. Wait. I'm gonna open it. Wait, I was going to open it.
Wait, there's another one right there. They drop a pickaxe too. Why am I pickaxe going? A glow
What did it
stick.
drop?
A glow stick.
Get out. Well, I need my pickaxe. And there we go. Oh, I need a research point. Give me
What?
some research points.
Well, I need them too. Come on, research points. Yeah, come on.
I got another research point.
No, I need the research points now. You have 2, and I need 1. And you have, you have. Dude, stop thinking about research.
I'm sorry. I needed more.
What are you?
Benji,
What?
we have a problem. Spiders.
Oh wait, stuck. Oh, the
Yeah,
spider's stuck.
yeah.
No, the
Where?
spider's stuck. So we don't have to worry about that.
Wait, I need gold. Wait, I need them. Never mind, I can't get any more, bro. Benji, don't leave.
Is there any research points? There's any research points?
Wait. Oh, no, never mind.
I think I know where is the spider cave at. I think it's like freaking.
I'm
Stop.
sorry.
It's like.
It's a sign.
No, this is not the spider cave. It looks like it is, but it's not.
Wait, there's purple gems. There's research points over there.
Fine, we'll kill him.
I think we're gonna go.
Spider! Spider!
Shing. Ow, Benji, you're gonna kill me.
I'm gonna die. Oh my god. I'm actually serious. I'm gonna die.
I found gold.
Oh,
Let's go, I got gold. Let's go, baby.
oh that's true. Give us a crate.
It's the thing. It's the crate.
Dude, stop! I'm gonna die! Dude, stop!
I'm
Dude, I'm really serious. I'm one shot. Dude, I'm literally one shot. I'm dying by one of the weakest, like, I'll say the second weakest weapon in the game. Spider cave is exactly. No, this is the anglerfish. No, it's like.
I found more research points and gold.
What the? I grappled. I think the spider cave.
There's research points in this cave. There's
Hold on, I'm
research
trying to
points
find.
in this
Oh,
cave.
there it is. I found a spider cave. It's right here. What?
Yeah, let's not go in there.
What? It's mimics. What bad are those?
There's 3. They're strong.
Well, no, the Armstrong is actually the strongest.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Oh, there's a mimic in here for some reason.
Oh!
Dude.
Oh, I found a research point.
No, I need it. Can I have it?
Yeah, go get it. No, I found like other research points.
Did you hit the mimic?
There's a mimic.
I'm dead because of you. I'm dead. I'm dead. Thanks a lot. I'm dead. Thanks a lot. I'm dead. The heck? At least everything's not too expensive. Actually, no, I don't put it over there. I put it on this side. Wait, my heart guns. Wait, no, wait, my heart guns. Whoa. I'm here. No. This can't be. This can't be my heart guns. I need.
Benji,
I know. I'm coming.
No, let's see. We need backpacks. I found the broccoli cave.
It's not called a broccoli cave. It's called a planetarium. It's called a planetarium, not a broccoli cave.
Benji, remember the path.
Dude, I know where it is. I've been going to planetariums since 2021. Well, not actually. Oh, wait.
Benji?
Dude, hold on!
I'm at the place where he died.
Stupid nerd. Here's my backpack.
Benji, I'm right here. I'm right here. Benny?
Yeah, I know. Here's fine. This is my heart guns. Andrew, grab this backpack on the ground.
I'm right. Ow!
Sorry.
Just another minute. I'm okay. Okay.
Dude, I'm going to die! I'm stuck because of you! Andrew, this is my vehicle!
I got him! Go! I got him!
I'm gonna die.
I'm sorry. Benji, look from over here.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
right
Yeah, I know. I've been there so many times. Where did it go? Why did it went even over here? Why did it even went over here? I'm stuck. Oh my god, another shotgun ammo?
Benji, I'm right here.
Yeah, I know. I found shotgun ammo.
Oh.
My goodness, I'm getting so much hearts. Getting so much guns. Guns are illegal. Maybe I'm gonna
going
get
inside the
another
green.
backpack.
Oh yes! Get me! No! I need some!
Oh, there it is. Camera, absolute garbage.
Benji! Go get the green ones! I get the green ones!
My backpack's full.
Same thing! My book should be gone!
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Let's go!
Can I try to get out of here? Can I go home? Let me in. Let me into this thing. Hold on. Andrew, go through here. Let me in.
This is our home!
Yeah, I know. You go through it.
Benji! No, it's not my pickaxe!
Doesn't matter. We're getting a new one. We already need one of these.
Wait a minute! You not take my pickaxe thing! I got
Come on, let me in. No, I can't get in. Do I have to eat the mini broccoli? Then I can go in?
Benji, no! Please, no, please! Benji!
Yeah?
Please, no!
Grab my pickaxe. And maybe this help. Not the robot. Let me in. Let me in. Oh, my pickaxe on. That's nice. Let me in. Let me in. There we go. And I'm still large somehow. I'm Team Tiny. Find farm. It's complete. Andrew, I'm at spawn. When he comes back, I'm gonna get the normal backpack. Let me.
I'm busy, where are you?
Did you want to the teleporter? Thank you. Get myself Where do we get the normal backpack? Where do we actually get it though? I swear I saw one. How much was it? 3 or 2? 2. Map detectors are next to the glow stick. Oh, I know, glow stick. And this will lead to the iPad. And the iPad will lead to normal, regular backpack. Me up here. Yeah, 10, that's huge. Dang, 50 cents, that's a lot. That's very cheap. Very, very cheap. 1 pound fish. Andrew, are you at spawn? Hello?
No.
Go to the green broccoli area, and you see a home thing, and try to go through it. Randomly, it works. Actually, I have my own category of heart guns. Oh, this thing's almost full because of the ammo.
Benji? Oh, you see?
15. Heart gun. There you go.
This might be a very hard mission than I thought.
Yeah, where is... backpack? Huh?
Oh my god. I'm not doing that again. No. Oh my god.
Why you not go to the other way?
I don't know. I didn't know it was gonna work.
No, it does work. You just randomly, every time I use it, it just randomly doesn't do it.
And I'm a Benji. Benji, do not steal my broccolis. Okay?
Yeah, I'm not. I'm...
Benji?
What? How you doing?
Oh no.
Just a little bit of sorting out real quick. Oh wait, wrong button.
Hey, Benji,
Andrew,
look,
got
look,
these.
it's right. I know about Benji, look right here. Look at his finger.
Yeah, I know, it's tiny. Your Sans Undertale, you know that, right? Your Sans Undertale. Your Sans Undertale, that's the thing, bro, that's the thing. Well, it's technically true. You are Sans Undertale. Did I even got crossbow ammo?
Aw, man. Hey, Benji, can you give me those,
Pickaxe? Take the pickaxe right there. Take it. Oh, never mind.
No, I meant a backpack. A new one.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you very much.
No. Now, let's just kill Armstrongs until we get good, until my backpack is full. Because I want a whole stash of just guns and ammo. That would be helpful in the future, specifically. Like shotguns, snipers. Wait, sorry, not sniper. I mean revolvers. There's no sniper. Wait, imagine they added snipers to the game.
No, they didn't.
No, like imagine they added snipers. Oh wait, no. Wait, why am I going on here? The Armstrong cave is up here.
Help me! Help!
Armstrong. Oh my goodness, he's scaring me. It's the Armstrong.
I'm fine.
Mr. Armstrong. Where's Andrew? Okay, instant revolver ammo. Oh wait, it doesn't have the thing of actually throwing. Where is Andrew? Andrew, where are you? Oh, you're a spider.
I'm coming!
Oh, leave me alone.
What are your suckers? You're suckers.
Why the heck, Rose are they? I'm a punch bug. I'm a punch bug. No. Oh, shoot!
Benji, come down here on the second floor.
Why? Dude, Andrew, I said come up here!
I don't know, Benji, look, I'm right here. I'm under here, look.
What? What's that? What is that? Oh, it's a light arrow.
I found it, but
Wait, can I have it?
That's right there. Hey guys! I swear.
I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that at all.
I fell.
I forgot it's a dead body every time. I don't know why the spider needs to hold a dead body.
Bro, they need to add a jump scare for the spider.
There's no, dude, no, we're not having jump scares. Oh my goodness, revolver. Whoa!
Hey! Move! You don't want to touch my friend! Get out!
Another revolver.
Wait, there's another one, but it's stuck.
Fine.
Look, there's another one.
Hey Andrew,
Stuck.
you want a gun? Because I got two. You want one?
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah,
Just
sure.
take it, just take it. Take it.
Wait, hold on to your back real quick. Oh, there we go. Did you just steal my grappler?
No, I didn't. It's right there.
You better return it right now, or
I gave it to you!
I know, I'm just kidding.
I got an iPad, I don't want that. Absolute garbage.
But I'm already at it.
Armstrong, he's an Armstrong.
Ay!
Yeah, don't let him to hit you. He does like half of your health. He literally
I
just...
can see I'm already almost dead.
Camera F tier. Oh, I'm trying.
Are we gonna go to the Broxby place?
If you want to. Ah, I'm stuck. Hey, go back
I mean,
here.
we can get like more.
Dead.
Hang on.
Pick it. Why are you getting garbage items? I want. Ah, bro, one. Oh.
Wait, the red one! It's a red one!
Whoa, a rope again.
Wait, I need it.
Why you need a rope again?
Thank you.
Where did my grappler go? Oh, it's in my bag. Is it?
You swallowed it.
No, it's in my bag.
Oh!
What, Armstrong?
No. I don't know, Benji, the one that we just killed right now was a red one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What the?
Like those things are like the red one is like really rare. I don't know how
Huh?
we got.
Come on. Ooh. Andrew,
What is that?
put
Wait.
this on your back. Put that. Oh wait, no wait. We can't put it in our backpack. It's basically a backpack.
Ah! Help me!
What is this? No, Andrew, you can't put it in your backpack.
Then what do I do? Just carry it?
Throw that down there. Well, you can carry it if you want to. Actually, no, I'm gonna carry it.
Oh wait.
No, you can't put it in your bag.
Benji, give it to me.
How do you?
It's stuck. Alright, I'm going back home. See you later.
Oh, okay. Oh wait. Oh shoot, I need to stay away. Dude! Yeah, you put that in your storage real quick. I'm gonna go to the freaking red one and a white one. Nice. iPad again. Don't scare me. Ow. Oh my goodness. For value. That's a lot of money. But yeah, he's gonna come soon. Open monster. I feel like there's a nope. A hover pad. I know that's worth value, but I hate it. Because you really have to spend like
Benji, come over here.
Alright. Come on, how many point? Okay, it's one. Maybe that is just it. Now we got shotgun ammo. That's huge. Yeah, so some of that's gonna be full. Yep.
Hey, Benji, look over here.
Huh?
Hey, Benji. Benji.
What?
Duh. Wait, Benji, how do I take the shredder out?
What shredder?
The thing.
Oh, you just press this. You just put in a random code. Oh wait.
I know, but how do you take it? I know, but how do you take it out?
Oh, you just grab it and put it on your hand.
Oh.
Oh my god, I have so much ammo.
My grappler.
I did not take it. This one will go in there for more guns.
Hey, Benji. Benji?
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, I know. I can stretch stuff. There you go.
Wait, Benji, you just stole my grappler.
No, I didn't. Here, take another one though. Dude!
What?
Stop selling the grapplers! Those are 2,000!
I'm
Like, stop. I'm really serious. Those are worth a lot.
Man, at least I can buy myself this. Wait, Benji, I just had a greatest idea ever.
What?
How about me and you, we go to the level thing?
I got no idea where to go. I'm stuck. Where did he go?
Hey, Benji, look, come on.
Huh? Yeah? Where are you?
I'm over here. I'm right here. Hey, Benji, first I need another grappler.
You stole your grappler! No, this is the last time you're getting one. No, this is the last time. You sell it, that's your fault. No, this is... Dude, this is your last grappler.
Hey, Benji, you have your backpack, right?
Yes, I do. Oh, I forgot.
I almost said a bad word. What?
What? I gave you a backpack.
I don't have one.
This will be backup storage.
Alright, but first, Benji, we're gonna need, I need money.
Need what? I gave you a grappler.
No, I meant I need money to get the snowball, teleporter. Whoops.
Why do you need that?
It's the only cheat code to only get to the lava. No.
I don't want to go there. I just want to grind. I want to grind guns. I want ammo. I want a gun. No one can see.
Hey, Benjamin, we can just stay up forever. Oh no! Leave Benji alone!
Huh?
It's a red one! It's a red one!
I got ammo. I got more ammo. What the?
Wait, can I say something? The red one does less damage while the regular ones do the lot.
Then why is it so rare then? That's the thing.
I don't know.
I got a camera. Absolute garbage.
Wait, I want this one. Wait, man, I want this.
The hoverboard? Dude, Dude, bro, I wouldn't have to I wouldn't have to waste like
Are you
5.
serious? I just shredded it.
Shred what?
I shredded my grappler, but then it came back to me. I don't know how.
Dude, you did not shred it. You put it in your backpack.
I swear to God, I shredded it.
Yeah, earlier.
For some reason, I have two.
So I wasted extra money. Ow.
Guys, today, me and Benji, we are so rich today. Oh, it's small! It's a small one!
I saw 3.
Shut!
That got me ammo.
Oh,
That just got me a
Benji,
heart gun.
Hey, Benji, end the video.
Why?
It's because I have to go to PJ's restaurant with my family. I gotta go to dinner
I
night.
guess this is the end of the video. Not of this. Okay, goodbye.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
it.
hold on. Before we go, this is the last crate. We got a crowbar. Absolute dookie.
Guys, today I have to go. It's because I gotta go have family dinner with my parents. So
Yeah.
good night. And I hope we make sure we hit 50 likes and 50 subscribers on Benji's channel.
Okay.
And I'll see you all later, fans.